YouTube, what is good? Project Garage 36 here, back with the 46, man. So I got to replace the fuel pump, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's get straight into it. You're going to have the seat. You remove the seat, it pushes forward and it comes out. There's going to be four bolts. It's going to be 4 bolts on the top. You just take those off and this plate comes up and it'll expose the fuel pump. That normally is on there, but I already have it off. And that just holds the fuel pump down. So here we go. Got the 4 bolts out. This plate comes off. There's a plug right there you need to unplug. And to do so, when you plug it in, it automatically slides on. So you would actually, hold on. Yeah, it slides. You plug it. I'll show you all that. So now there's gonna be a piece here. Try not to damage this. It just keeps all the debris and dirt out. Mine is filthy, so I'm gonna clean it up real quick before I take it out. I don't want nothing spilling inside my fuel tank, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up, bro. Now you're here. Once you got this unplugged, you got your fuel line unplugged. This literally just pulls right out. You have to kind of twist it a little bit, just like this, just like that, like that. And now you have it out. Now you can just throw the new one in. Finesse your fuel pump in, you would screw this ring back on. I'm gonna use one of these guys, like a flathead, and this breaker bar, and I'm gonna start hitting it back this way very lightly, just so it'll snug. You're gonna pull this blue thing off and attach this wire here, and should be good to go. Be looking something like this. And we're gonna connect this wire back to this slider clip. You plug it in and it locks into place like this. It's plugged in. You slide that, it locks it. You got your bolts back in, tightened down. It's a 10mm, and you're good to go. Just crank her up. Now let's give her a warm start to neutral.